Finding square root by long division method. Example 1. Find the square root by long division method. 529. Step 1. Place a bar or every pair of digits starting from the digits at one's place. Step 2. Now we find that number whose square is less than or equal to 5. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 3 into 3 equal to 9. Since 9 is greater than 5, we use 2 into 2. Step 3. Pair 29 comes down. Step 4. We multiply the number above by 2 and add a blank after it. So we write 2 into 2 equal to 4. Step 5. Find a number which is less than or equal to 129. 42 into 2 equal to 84. That's not possible. So let's try with 3. 43 into 3 equal to 129. Hence we got the remainder 0. Since the remainder is 0, square root of 529 equal to 23. So we will move on to exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4. First question. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Square root of 2304. 2304. Now, so let us pair up from the right. Yes. Step 2. Let us find the number whose square number is less than or equal to 23. So 4 into 4 is 16. 5 into 5 is 25. So 25 is greater than 23. We'll take 4 into 4. We got the remainder as 7. Next we have to keep the next pair down, that is 0 4. So we got the new dividend as 704. We will double the quotient. If you double the quotient, it will be 8, or you can multiply the quotient by 2 and leave a dash. We have to find a number which is less than or equal to 704. 85 into 5, 425. 88 into 8, 704. Or you can think in the way that with what number if you multiply, you will get the ones digit as 4. In that way also, if you want, you can think. So 8 into 8, if you put 8, this becomes 704. So the remainder is 0. So the square root of 2304 equal to 48.